Oh, hi there guys, welcome back to another video. Doing alright with these uploads at the minute, so let's keep the momentum going. First things first, before I get into this actual video, I just want to say thank you to all you guys that have messaged me about my thumb. I did this, as I'm recording this, 2 days ago, so we are starting to heal up. I mean, it is very, very swollen, and I can't really bend it much. It's very tender, but it's definitely healing. So just keep my eye on that. Hopefully it doesn't get infected. So thank you guys for all the nice messages you sent me and the kind regards. I'll keep you posted. Hopefully it doesn't drop off. And I want to say thank you to all you new subscribers. Thank you to all you subscribers in general. We're nearly at that 1,000 mark. So excited and pleased about that. So thank you to all of you guys for that. But let's get into today's video. And as you've seen on the title, going to be doing the walls finally get something on the interior. So I've been waiting for a good few months for something for the interior, and I was looking for some cladding, but because of COVID I couldn't get it, couldn't order it, couldn't get it delivered. And I was talking to, I believe it's Cal on Instagram, I'll put his Instagram up here. He's done this on his interior, and I don't know why I didn't think about it, because I've actually gone for pallet wood on everything. And yeah, he's put pallet wood up on the walls. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I've collected probably about 9 pallets so far, stripped them all down and got them just down to the bare timber. Yeah, just got all the wood now. Just need to do something with it. I do want to go across and give it all a sand, because obviously some of it's been sat outside, and just give it so it all looks nice and fresh. I do want to take the back, not this bit, but on the other side, take that off, give that a bit of a sand, make it look nice, and sand it all, and then yeah, start fastening it to the walls. I have got some screws coming. I've ordered them from Screwfix, just waiting for me to get a message so I can go pick them up. I think I'm going to need shorter screws again. I think the ones I've got are like 40 mil, which is enough to go through the wood and through these beams. But I have been looking, and we've got places like up here where there isn't so much room, so I'm probably going to need to get shorter screws. Or if you guys have any ideas of how I could actually fasten that, please let me know, because I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, that's today's job. Bit of sanding, bit of wood on the walls. Proper excited about this. I've been waiting months to do this. So yeah, once I get that message from Screwfix, we'll go pick the screws up and we'll start making a start on this. Be excited guys, see you in a sec. Well, that was eventful. When I got my screws, turns out they gave me the wrong ones. I ordered smaller ones. I ordered 4x40, and they ended up giving me like 6x100, so they were massive. The reason I got these is so they don't go through the roof, but managed to get them. And we also managed to get some more wood. Got a nice big sheet here, and a nice big thick bit of pallet wood. So I'm thinking of using this to redo my sub box and maybe do my dash. I'm not sure yet, but really good pallet wood there. One of the companies around there obviously was chucking it away, and they didn't want it anymore, so thank you very much. So gonna get this lot out and then make a good start and get on this interior. So yeah, let's get this done. Well, there's that lot all out. I'm going to be taking all these cushions out and putting them inside, because I don't want them getting dusty. And then, as you can see, I've started taking this lot apart. Going to take that off, take all of these off and sand them so they sort of match. And then sand some of the other wood that I've got in the shed. And then I think the best way to start this is just from underneath there, just above that, and then just start from there and work my way up and around, I guess. I presume that's the best way of starting this. I don't know. So I'm going to get on with some sanding, and yeah, I'll let you know if I discover anything while I'm doing it. Well, there's that bit done. I've now got the back bit done. I'll try and throw up a picture of how this looked before. As you can see, there's that one and that one I couldn't get out because I had to dismantle all of it, and I wasn't doing that. But I managed to do the rest of it, and it looks a bit better. I mean, I'm happy with it. All this lot's a lot smoother, which is perfect. There's no sort of rough edges, so I'm happy with that. Something I wanted to get done for a while, so yeah, quite pleased. But now, as you can see, it's all taken apart. We need to start mocking up how we're going to get the sides done. So yeah, I guess the only way to do it is put the pallets there and see what fits. I don't know. So time to get this bit mocked up. I think the only real thing to do here is probably get the wood, place it there, screw it in, and see what fits, I guess. So I'm gonna go get some of the wood. Well, this is the pile of wood that I've got so far. I mean, there's some more down here and what have you, and as you can see, it goes back quite far. There's some thicker bits there. I was going to use that for something else. You can see I haven't actually bothered taking the nails out of it, but all I'm going to do is just get some of it and test fit it. I suppose that's the only thing I can do. I think the best thing to do is just that, really, and then get a piece for that end, and then like that. And then go like that bit, cut that into there. So I'm going to go get this lot sanded and placed pretty much how you see it, and then fill up these gaps and just work my way up and around. I think for places like this, I think I'm obviously going to have to put a piece on top and then maybe notch it, or I don't quite know. So for now we've got enough to work with. I think I'm just going to get this lot sanded, get these bits in. Yeah, see what happens. Wish me luck. Well, managed to get most of that done. There's a couple pieces left, there's loads left in the shed, but I've got enough to make a start with. I mean, there was sawdust, I brushed myself off in my eyes, on my nose. Never mind, managed to make a good start. I'm not taking any of this lot down, I'm just going to screw straight into it. So let's just do that. So all I'm really going to do here is most of these have actually got holes in, so I'm going to try and utilise the holes that are already there, and then just put, I don't need to put a lot because it's not taking any weight, just put a couple of screws in just to hold it. And I guess work my way up. Here's a start. Made a good start, but something I have noticed is like right there, there's like a ridge. So I'm gonna have to look into that and there. And then as you start to come up on the contours of the van, look at that, if that's screwed up against the wall how I want it, mean, look how much of a gap there's going to be. So, yeah, I'm going to have to look at that. But, starting to make a bit of a start. Obviously need to cut that and these two out. Start to look at cutting around that. And at some point I've got to try and figure out what I'm going to do about the sliding door. Because if I put some wood on there, that isn't actually, I mean, it's touching the whole way down anyway. So, do I remove the door card and put pallet wood instead of the door card? I don't know. What I'm actually thinking is, if I make all of these long enough, I can make them. Let me bring you closer. I can bring them all, instead of doing it up to the edge of the panel, which is there. Don't know how much as you can actually see. The edge of the panel is right there, so I was going to do it to there. But I'm thinking, if I overhang it a bit and do it to like the edge of the window there, all the way up, then I could use that as my window, and then across the top I could just, yeah, I think I might do that. So probably about there. Yeah, that's a bit better. And then just do it, yeah, do it like that. That will work quite well, because when the curtains, obviously I had to remove this curtain rail, when the curtain's back on, if I put that over, sorry you can't see that, put the curtain up to about here, then, and the wood's up to there, yeah, I think that's going to work the best. So that's now my plan, cut to there and then just do full lengths, 3 more full lengths to get to the top there. I got about 6 or 7 more sanded there, so that'll work. As you can see on the back, I want to go all the way back. Once I've got off cuts, I'll do all the rest of there, up the side. Yeah, happy days. I'm going to try and get some more of this cut. Don't really need to show you that, it's just going to be a bit boring and stale for you. So I will come back to you once I'm a bit further along, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. And there we go. It's been a few hours since I last picked up the camera. I had tea since then. But I'm very pleased with the progress that I've made. I mean, I got sawdust in my eyes, up my nose. Yeah, I feel an absolute mess. Absolutely covered in it. But I'm pleased. This is the progress I have made. So I've pretty much done most of the way around the window. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that bit. And all of that. Just need to start going up over the roof. There are some bits, like here, where there's like a bit of a lip. There's a few places like it. But what I'm going to do is take like this panel out and then just grind all of this edge so it's a lot flatter, and then just go around and figure out all the bad spots, sort of mark it and then sand it down flat. There's like a bit there and all. What I was thinking of doing here, so I brought it up to the edge of the window, is just get like a little piece just to sort of finish it and have like a little mini windowsill. I mean, that's what, a good few inches there. So I could have like a little bit of a windowsill. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the curtains on the inside or on the outside. Probably on the inside, it'll look a bit cooler. Like I said, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do up here because that's metal, where in the moment that's all wood up to like there. So not sure I'm going to screw into this. Figure that out as we get there, and then yeah, off onto the roof. I'm really pleased with the progress. I've gone right up into the back, and then the little offcuts I've got are going to go down and fill up the spaces back there. I'm really pleased with this. Just stand back, and obviously I'm going to have cushions in here, so the cushions will probably go up to about there. So, but no, I'm really pleased with how this is coming out. I think this is coming out really well. Like I said, I'm going to get it gone now. I've got sawdust in my eyes, sawdust on my hands so I can't scratch my eyes. My thumb's starting to play up. I really just want to like sniff in, but I can't because it's just sawdust. So I'm gonna go and have a nice shower. Already had a few beers, so might as well crack on and have a few more. But no, really impressed. And think what I'm probably going to do is start going all the way up and around, and then back down the other side. I was going to go up that side and then meet in the middle, but I'm probably going to have like weird, excuse me, probably going to have like weird lengths. I'd rather have them sort of at the bottom out the way rather than like on the roof where they can be seen. So just sort of keep from here upwards. But no, I'm really pleased with the progress. It's going to take a while. Like I said, this is going to be like a little mini series, so expect a few more. And yeah, enjoy the journey with me. Like I said, I'm going to get gone. Starting to feel a bit tired, got a lot to tidy up. It's getting a bit late anyway. I think it's like 6, half 6, so I don't want to be cutting and grinding and messing around with dowel tools. There's people with kids around here, so, or younger kids, so they'll be going to bed soon. So I'm going to go have some beer. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think I should do about up here. If you can think of an idea I haven't thought about. And yeah, let's enjoy this journey together, guys. Right, if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.